Good morning, everyone. Tia Kutzer from Bible in 1 Year. And this morning we look at Genesis chapter 43. We are now moving fast towards the climax in the story of Joseph. Verse 1 tells us that the famine was still severe and that Israel's family had used up all the grain they brought back from Egypt. In verse 2 to 7, we read of an argument between Israel and his remaining sons. What was the argument about? Summarize it in your own words. Which brother came up with a solution in verse 8 to 10? And what was the solution? In verse 11, Israel settled the matter. He instructed his sons to return to Egypt and take gifts with them. List the gifts that they had to take along. In verse 13, Israel agreed that they may take Benjamin with them, and in verse 15, they did as they were instructed by their father Israel. They went down to Egypt and reported to Joseph. What was Joseph's instruction in verse 16 when he saw them, and what was their response when they heard Joseph's instruction? Read verses 18 to 22 to find the answer. How did Joseph's steward over his household treat the brothers? Read and summarize your conclusion in verses 23 to 24. Verse 26 to 28 is the fulfillment of a dream Joseph had as a young man. Find the chapter and verse where you read about that dream Joseph had and read that story again. In verse 29 to 31, we are given insight into how the situation affected Joseph emotionally. What do you think went through his mind when he saw all his brothers? And how would you react if you were in his shoes? Did Joseph remain faithful to his Jewish background and faith? What information in verse 32 leads you to the answer? In verse 33, Joseph arranged their seating at the table according to their age, which came as a surprise to the brothers. He also indicated that Benjamin was his favorite by the food portions he allocated to each of them. They concluded the meal and it ended in merriness. Amen. May you have a wonderful and blessed day.